best thing about being a card maker is the joy of creating. You know, we're making these things with our hands, and we get to buy all these fun products and kind of escape our troubles by creating. But we also have to remember to send those cards. And I think a lot of people like to keep them. You spend a few hours making a card and you get these stacks of cards. Well, you got to send those too. So I think by doing more card drives and coming together saying, hey, I know this child who could use a little pick-me-up, send some cards. By reaching out to each other to do that, we can make this hobby even better. And then, hey, we can go back and make more cards, right? So it's really a win-win for everybody if we come together and do more of sending this kindness out into the world.